So over here you can see that I have a picture, and one of the ways to blur out the picture that you have inside of GIMP is by pixelizing it or pixelate it. So to do that, you need to go around under filters right here, then you need to go around under blur, and then over here what you have is you have a pixelize as an option, as you can see. So once you do that, you can see that this becomes like a low resolution right here, just like this, and you can choose the shape of the pixelization as well to, let's say for example, diamond right here, or you can make it round over here as well. So let me just go around and make it diamond, and then if I were to change around the width, then you can see that I got the black dots over here just like this, and I got the block width. So I can increase and decrease the block width and height. I can also go around and unlink this and change around the block width side by side right here, just like this. So it looks like a low resolution image, as you can see, just like this. You can go around and change around the offset X and Y right here to change around the pixelation. So let me just go around and select square right here. So you get a regular square, or you can go for a roundest block as well. So now as I were to go around over here, change around the offset and so forth, that is what you have, as you can see. So now you can see that now there's the offset, and if I were to go around and then link this out, then you can see that now it's not just offsetting a particular area, but both of these X and Y axis, as you can see right here. So there is like a scale ratio, so you can go around and decrease out the scale ratio, and you can see the actual shape of the pixelation as well. So right now you can see that the shape is round, so I can go around, select square right here, or I can select diamond, and you can see the pixelation accordingly right here. So as I go around and change around the ratio, you can see that it takes around that particular shape. I can go around over here and unlink that, and then push this out from the side as well and change around the shape just like this as well, the y-axis and the x-axis right here. You can go around over here and change around the background color as well. So let's say for example, you can go around and choose this particular background color as you take a sample over here just like this. So as I go around over here onto, let's say for example this, then you can see that it takes this background color, or you can go around and choose a background color of your choice over here as well. So that is what you have, as you can see. And you can also go around and work around with, let's say for example, like blending mode right here, just like this, and you can see that that is what you have. So now this is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can work around with the blending mode, as you can see right here. And let me just go around onto replace, and that is what you have. You can go around onto split view, and you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and see the before and after by using the split view as well, and preview this out as well. So once you're ready to apply, you can go around and press OK, and then what happens is that this will be applied, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can work around with Pixelize filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.